The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, "Be aware that your hearts do not become drowsy from drunkenness and the anxieties of daily life, and that day catch you by surprise like a trap. For that day will assault everyone who lives on the face of the earth. Be vigilant at all times and pray that you have the strength to escape the tribulations that are imminent and to stand before the Son of Man." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Dear sisters and brothers in Christ, today is the last day of our liturgical year A. Tomorrow we will begin the new year in the church by lighting our first Advent candle. May I ask each of you to wish your neighbor a blessed and joyful Happy New Year of the church. This is the advanced one. So the liturgical year is meant to take us to deeper into our lives of faith, bringing us closer to God. And for that reason, Jesus is telling us, be vigilant or be watchful and pray. We are called by Jesus to watch the mark of God in our life. It might be a difficult and stressful year, but we are still alive and healthy, and that is why we are celebrating the birthday of Jack. To constantly watch God is our act of hope, which means no matter what wrong we have done or what we have forgotten to do, no matter how imperfect we feel or how imperfect we act towards others, God is always there, waiting for us with the open arms, ready to embrace us, ready to kiss us, and ready to renew us in His divine love. We just need to watch the mark of God in our life. And while watching the marks of God in our life, we are told by Christ to pray. Prayer is not a shopping list that where we enter and we say, I want this or I need this. But it is a conversation between a human being and God. And this conversation where God speaks to us like a father and we listen like an obedient child. And for that reason, we have to always watch our prayer and make an act of obedience. And for that, we have a good example, our mother, Blessed Virgin Mary. May Mary, the mother of Jesus and our mother, intercede for us to always help us to be watchful and to pray to God.